What's up guys, today we are going to test Ford Focus, how to reset the engine light. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when the engine is on. Okay, so that's what you see. What you need to do is you need to switch the engine off. And what you're supposed to do is hold the brake and the accelerator completely down, put in the key and go into position 2. Okay, that's weird. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. I'm leaving it go. Okay, let me put it in position 2 and then press them both. Okay, 1, 2. Nothing is happening. In the YouTube video I saw there was an oil reset. That's not happening here. That's kind of strange. I'm going to turn it off. Turn the car back on. The engine light is still there. Okay, I'm going to try this with the brake and the clutch, just to see what will happen. There's still nothing. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing the menu. Nothing happens either. Whoops, alright. The video said brake and accelerator in position 2. Nothing is happening. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, release. Let's have a look. Let's turn and you're supposed to switch it off. I wonder if it makes a difference if I lock the car. Switch it back on. The engine light still is there. Okay, let's try this engine reset one more time. So I have my foot ready to press, but it's not pressed. So I'm going to go into position 2. Do not start the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and release. Nothing happens. Wonder, accelerator, brake, accelerator. No, nothing. Just holding down the reset button on the indicator stick. And nothing is happening. What's up, guys? So it seems that putting your key in the ignition position 2, pressing the the accelerator and the brake together, it did work for me, but it didn't show the oil reset message. So if you notice there's no exclamation I in this area, here, and there's no message here as well. So all in the clear, and I guess it works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.